Today's lesson is on revising a report. We initially learned about revising when we did exercise number 18, which you can look back on to kind of refresh your memory, and we looked at revising a piece of writing. This activity is going to focus specifically on how to revise a report. When you look at this assignment in Google Classrooms, I have made a copy of the Camel report for you to edit electronically. So you can open that up and make your changes and revisions directly on this report. The first step is to join sentences where you can, and they ask you to be creative. Don't just join them with the word and. To help you with this, review exercises 43, 47, and 67 in your communicating skills book that go over some suggestions of how to do this. The second step is to try and avoid having consecutive sentences or two sentences in a row that have the same subject. For example, it'd be quite boring if every sentence started with the word camels. Camels are tall. Camels have two humps. Camels, right? That repetition gets quite tiresome, so try to change up the subjects. All 4 paragraphs start with topic sentences that need some improvement, so your job is to go through and rewrite those sentences so that they help capture the reader's attention. The 4th step is to go through and see if you can replace some of the usage of camels. They've overused it quite a bit in this article, and so when you rewrite, try to replace it with a pronoun such as they or them or it, or a phrase such as these animals. The word good has also been overused quite a bit in the 3rd paragraph, so find some good replacements for it. If you need help, in the back of your CS book there's actually a mini thesaurus that will give you some examples of words that you could use instead of good. Do your best to make this an exciting and riveting read for someone to enjoy. When you're in Google Classroom, please make a copy of the report, complete your revisions, and then turn in, so there's a green turn in button, turn in your assignment when you are finished. And then I will mark on Google Class, on FreshGrade, that you have completed it.